Good morning, class. So we were doing articles. Let's revise the little bit articles. Then afterwards, let's do the exercise. Okay. So first, articles. What are articles? How to use A and the. The usage of A and the. In this we have learned that the is definite and A and N is indefinite. Okay. So now let us revise some points where vowel sound is there and noun is one. What we use? An. Where consonant sound? A. Okay. And the is used for superlative where it is the main subject. Okay. Or where it is proper noun. Okay. Now let us take out the exercise. Okay. So take out your page number 95. Take out your exercise 1. Okay. Now see, your first point is the English defeated the dash French. Okay. Dash English defeated dash French. Now see, English and French. What are these? These are nations name ना? ये nationals है ना? So जो बेटा I told you proper noun और nations name और main subject है वहाँ पे हम क्या use करते हैं? The. So right here. The English defeated the French. Okay. Now, say your second point. Dash aeroplane now dash aeroplane flies the sky. Sorry, I have used already. Okay. By mistake, I already used the article. No problem. So we will discuss it. Okay. First of all, speak with me. Aeroplane. Now see arrow. What is the first sound? A. So I told you जो आपकी vowel sound होती है वहाँ पे हम क्या use करते हैं? An. Okay. So aeroplane is one. First of all, noun is one. Another it is vowel sound. So right here an. Okay. And next thing is sky. Can you count your sky? No ना? तो ये आपका यहाँ पे आपका the article use होगा. Okay, ये main as a main object है. Okay. So subject and main object that we have to see. So sky is the main object, so that's why the. Okay. Now see your next. Now the dash. Ramayana dash Holy Book now see here Ramayana. What is this? Proper noun, na? Special name. So which are the special name or proper noun? Which article we have to use? The. So first write here the. The next thing is how many book it is? One na? We are talking of one book, that is Ramayana. So that's why write here A. And H is your consonant sound. Okay, it is not any proper noun, not any special object, it's consonant noun. Next is Hindu. Hindu is the name of the community. Again it is special name. So which article you will use? The. Okay. Now see your next. Now dash Ganges. Ganges. Ganges what it is beta? It is plural of Ganga. Okay. Ganga and Ganges both are the proper noun. So which you will use beta? The. Another thing it is more than one. Okay. And 2 points are there. See, one is proper noun. Another thing it is more than one. Ganga, plural noun it is Ganges. Okay. Now, how many river Ganga it is? One river, na? So what you will write here? A. Okay. How many river it is? One. It is the name of one river. So write here A. Okay. Next it is now see Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is dash island. Beta in this S is silent. Okay. How we speak it is island. Speak with me. Island. So first is your vowel sound. Okay. So before vowel sound what we use? N. We are talking about one. Okay. That is Sri Lanka, one country. Okay, another thing it is island, that means one. And when we speak, first is your consonant vowel sound. Okay, not consonant but vowel sound. So that's why N. Now see your 6. Dash earth moves now see here dash earth moves round dash sun. Now of what you are talking about? What is the main subject? Earth. Earth is the main subject. Okay. And it is the name of the planet. So that's why what you will write here? The earth. Okay. The earth moves round again. Sun is the name of the star. Okay, it is special name of what we are talking about. Earth किसके surround करती है? It is the main object ना. So that's why what you will write here the. Okay. Now see your 7th. Now see, dash honest man is trusted by all. First speak with me, honest. In this H is silent. Okay. और आपको बेटा मैंने क्लियर किया था, आप सबसे पहले वर्ड्स जो है ना फर्स्ट स्पीक आउट. ओके, यू विल ऑटोमेटिकली कम टू नो जो आपकी स्वरों की वॉइस होती है ना स्टार्टिंग की. फॉर डेट लाइक आई शो यू, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल सी, टेल मी व्हाट आई हैव रिटन. SDO. ओके, इन दिस फर्स्ट लेटर तो आपका S है लेकिन आपकी वोवल साउंड आ रही है. देखो S ए. ओके, जो आपके ये जो 6 स्वर है ना, अगर इनकी वॉइस आएगी तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? N. ओके, लाइक MLA ए. ओके, सो द सेम हेयर. सी, फर्स्ट इज ऑनेस्ट. सो व्हाट विल कम हेयर? N. नाउ सी योर नेक्स्ट बेटा. The dash Himalayas are the highest mountain now see Himalayas. It is proper noun, special name, and another thing it is more than one. Okay, 2 points. So what you will use here? The highest. This is the superlative degree. So for superlative degree, what will come? The. Next again world. It is the main object. So what will come here? The. Okay. Now see your ninth. Now see, he is dash Indian. In this, main subject is he. Okay. When we speak Indian, what is the first sound? E. So again vowel sound. So what you will write here? And. Here wife is the main object. Okay. American. A. Again vowel sound. So what you will write here? And. Now see the last point of the exercise. Now see, English is dash easy language. Now when you speak, see this is the adjective. Easy is adjective, okay? And the first sound is E. So it is vowel sound. And we are talking about one language, that is English. So right here, English is an easy language. Is it clear to everyone? Okay. So I am holding for a minute. Finish it fast. Okay. Now everyone done this all points. Now one more point I am discussing. Now see beta, one more point I am discussing, that is omission of articles. See, there are various points where we don't have to use the articles. Okay. First I told you, one is uncountable noun. You don't have to use the articles. Like for example, water, sugar, milk. No need to use the articles. When we can't measure, how we can tell? Okay? जब आप उस चीज को मेजर ही नहीं कर सकते तो आप क्या उसे करोगे? ओके? Another thing is abstract noun. Abstract noun, like for example, happiness, kindness, cruelty, okay, intelligence. See, where we can't measure, how we can tell, okay. So no article is used before them, okay. Now another point is name of the states. Okay, name of the states, like for example Delhi. Okay, any state name is there, don't use any article. Delhi, Jaipur, okay, don't need to use the article. Okay, now names of the countries. No need to use any article before any country name. For example, your country you take India. No need to use any article. Don't use any article. Okay. Next. Like for example, see name of the streets. स्ट्रीट मतलब गली का नाम. ओके, अगर आपकी कोई गली का नाम है, ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल भगत सिंह मार्केट, ठीक है, ये आपके यहाँ पे भादोगढ़ में जैसे एक है, ओके, या आप कह सकते हो नारनरी रोड, ठीक है, इनके आगे कोई आर्टिकल नहीं रखता, ओके, और यू कैन से रेलवे रोड, ओके, लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई एम राइटिंग हियर railway road, like for example, okay, no article is used, okay. Now next is name of the days, like for example tell today day is Monday, okay, so no article is used before the name of the days. So remember these all points. Once again I am telling, first is uncountable noun, okay, like water, then abstract noun, names of the states, names of the countries, names of the street, names of the days, or you can say names of the mountain peaks, okay. So just write these all points so you will able to remember. I am holding for a minute. Okay, and your article chapter is over. If any problem is there, please let me know. Okay. I hope this chapter is clear to you.